Good morning, this is Bill Baruch with MF Global on Thursday, October 20th. The dollar had a really nice close yesterday, rallying and putting a lot of pressure on commodities late in the day. You saw crude oil fall a few bucks from its highs. The stock market had a quick fall at the end of the day. However, though, the dollar fell back last night, giving some support to the euro and commodity prices, which led corn to a poor open and a nice recovery throughout the night. It held Tuesday's lows, closing at 622 1/4, up 2 3/4, and in the wheat. The beans held Tuesday's lows as well, at 639 on the close, up half a cent. However, the beans were the weakest and went through the 1230 pocket there, and going as low as 1206 3/4, and closing at 1223 1/2, though recovering only down 1.5 cents. Now, to the export news, you may be wanting to hear this, and no matter how much it really may matter at the moment, exports, though, all below estimates. The corn, the beans, the wheat, all below estimates. However, the oil and the meal did fall in line. But with the dollar recovering now and around unchanged at the moment to positive, it's going to put a lot of pressure on the grains when they reopen from that nice recovery last night. The stock market, which is about 10 points from its highs. Gold, though, what I want to put a lot of focus on here, it has over the last couple of days broken down from its bearish pennant. It is following through to the downside with a low just above 1600 last night. It's off its lows around 1620, but I expect more of a continuation, more of a follow through. This could really break the 1500. And what I really want to put emphasis on is that when the market was down here, 1540s a couple weeks ago, it hit its 200-day moving average. It did not spend much time down there. There were no margin calls given because it was an overnight move, and it recovered very, very quickly. It has not been down here. However, if it trades below this 1600 level and follows through and spends some time down there, you see silver follow suit. You can see people who were long and got out and bailed out of a quick recovery now that are going to see margin calls. You can see further liquidation to push this thing lower. And that's going to, again, put pressure on all the grains as the dollar would then see some support and further break down the euro, and further break down the stocks as liquidation is needed to control this. With exports not giving any support to the market, I again hold what I said yesterday, sell the grains through Friday, especially with the outside conditions. If you want to discuss any of this any further, please give me a call at 1-866-790-4371. And remember, as always, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss. It is not suitable for everybody. Thank you.